Okay, now. Siguro, unblindfolded muna. Unblindfolded, okay? Unblindfolded muna. Okay. Okay, huwag muna. Tingnan nyo na. Titigan nyo na lang muna. Okay, yung timer natin. Timer. Pwede mo mag-timer? Meron bang assign? Sino ba pwede? Alisa. Sino ba pwede mag-timer? Okay? Sino pwede mag-timer? Tutukan nyo na lang muna yung mga ano yun. Okay, wait. Tutukan nyo na lang muna. Okay? Relax. Okay, relax. Now, they will do this in subconscious level. Okay, they will do this in subconscious level. Okay? Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay? Start now!
Raise the Rubik's pagkatapos po.
Oh. Kahit i-erase yun na lang. O kaya, yan. Erase lang, taas lang. Go. Do it. Do it subconsciously. You're great. You're powerful. You're blessed. Share the greatness. Share the greatness. Go. Yes. Huwag titigil ha. Kahit may matapos na, huwag titigil. Go. Titignan mo yung time ninyo lahat. Yan, naka-webs. Okay, first.
Okay, first, Pastor Ryan, 44 seconds and 74 milliseconds.
Okay, next.
Okay, si Kuya Jim po ay 51 seconds.
Okay, very good. So, hintayin natin si Danica. Sige lang, go. Sige lang, Danica. Take your time. You're great. Don't think us. Okay, go.
Joyce, pakigulo.
Okay, very good. Wala pong practice yan, ha? Busy sa school. Si Danica, si Swaet is first touch. She's part of the first touch. Okay? Okay, tuloy muna natin. Yan. Tuloy natin.
May blindfold po kayo.
Okay. Sige, titigan nyo na muna. Now, put your blindfold so that you can be relaxed. Go. Okay. Time.
Okay,
1 minute and 55 seconds.
Okay. Whoa.